Today we're talking about how to withdraw crypto from Coinbase to Exodus. Okay, it's a bit of a tutorial for you. Before we get in, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. So let's go. So guys, the first thing I want to do is take you over to 101blockchains.com, all right, where we're talking about the Web3 wallets. Now, Web3 wallets and digital wallets can be used for accessing dApps, okay, decentralized apps, and storing NFTs or use of DeFi protocols. The importance of this. The importance of Web3 wallets is too evident in how they open doors to the Web3 solutions and projects. You can use your desired pick from a Web3 wallets list and proceed towards using the next generation of web. For example, you could use it for accessing financial services without intermediaries, creating on-chain identity, engaging in collaboration with the Web3 communities, or just collecting NFTs. So let's get straight into actually withdrawing your crypto from Coinbase to Exodus using the mobile, right? You can watch this video here. It'll give you a little bit of an overview, but I want to just show you. So to get started, sign into your Coinbase account and click send and receive. All right, then you're going to tap the asset you would like to send to your Exodus wallet. Really easy. Then open your Exodus wallet up. Okay, once you've opened it up and copy the address for the asset you're sending from Coinbase, then you go into Coinbase, paste the copied Exodus address into that field. Again, guys, follow along with exodus.com/support, that link down below, and you can follow these pictures or the video. Copy the Exodus address into the field like this, and if you would like to, you can add a note or a transaction, okay? It's only visible by Coinbase, this, and then click continue. Once you've clicked continue, in the select wallet type screen, click self-custody wallet, then choose the network to send your funds to. And then once you've done that, all you're gonna do is click send now. Now, if required, enter the code from your authenticator app to continue. Okay, if you haven't got that set up, please set that up. It's for your own security. And that's it. You will see your crypto in your Exodus wallet looking like this. And as the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, to monitor the status of your transaction, just click view transaction. Otherwise, click done, and that is it. You're finished. There you have it, guys. Be sure to hit that like button, the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'm going to see you on the next video.